Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an in-depth review of the Discover It Cashback Card, a credit card that's become quite popular, especially among beginners. I'll cover everything you need to know about this card. We'll look at an overview of what it offers, dig into its main features, check out its pricing structure, weigh up the pros and cons, and finally give my take on whether it's the best card for beginners. Stick around to the end where I'll also suggest other alternatives in case this one didn't quite hit the mark for you. Let's get right to it. The Discover It Cashback Card is a cashback rewards card that's designed to give you straightforward earning potential while being easy to use. One of the things that stand out right away is that there is no annual fee, which is ideal for newcomers looking to get value without high upfront costs. Discover positions this card as a flexible choice for users who want to earn cashback without needing a complicated rewards program. Now, one of the unique aspects of Discover's approach is the rotating 5% cashback categories. Every quarter, Discover offers 5% back on purchases in specific categories like groceries, gas, dining, or online shopping. You'll earn 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in spending per quarter on these categories. So if you're strategic, this can really add up. Outside of these bonus categories, you'll earn an unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases, which is a nice safety net. A key draw for this card is the Cashback Match program. At the end of your first year, Discover matches all the cashback you've earned dollar for dollar. For example, if you've earned $150 in cashback, Discover will match that, making it $300. There's no limit to the amounts they'll match, so for first-time cardholders, this can be an impressive bonus. In terms of ease of use, Discover offers a highly rated mobile app where you can check balances, redeem rewards, and pay bills seamlessly. And when it comes to customer service, Discover consistently ranks high for satisfaction, which is an important factor to consider if you're new to credit cards. Now let us talk about the main features of the Discover It Cashback Card. First, the reward structure. Like I mentioned, you get 5% cashback on quarterly rotating categories. These categories change each quarter and usually include popular spending areas. Discover makes it easy to activate these categories through their app or website, so you can stay on top of maximizing your rewards. Another great feature is the cashback match. As I mentioned earlier, Discover will double all the cashback you've earned during the first year. This is unique because most other cards offer an upfront welcome bonus, but Discover's cashback match allows for ongoing earnings that add up significantly over the year. Discover is also known for its no-fee policy. Besides no annual fee, there are no foreign transaction fees, which can be a big plus for anyone who occasionally travels internationally. The card also offers an introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months, after which the APR usually ranges from around 16% to 27%, depending on your creditworthiness. Keep in mind though that there is a balance transfer fee, which is either 3% of the amount of each transfer during the introductory period or 5% after that. Discover also places emphasis on security and convenience. You get access to free FICO credit score monitoring, which can be useful for beginners wanting to track their credit progress. Plus, Discover has a feature that allows you to instantly freeze your account if your card is lost or stolen. This can all be done through the app or websites. Finally, your rewards never expire as long as your account is open, so there's no pressure to redeem them right away. Now let us talk about the pricing. As I mentioned, the Discover It Cashback Card has no annual fee, making it cost-effective right off the bat. The APR after the introductory period can range quite a bit, from 18.74 to 27.74. So if you carry a balance, be aware that the interest can add up. The 0% APR for 15 months is a great perk for new users looking to make larger purchases or consolidate debt without accruing interest right away. Just keep in mind that a 3% balance transfer fee during the introductory period goes up to 5% afterward. Also worth mentioning is that while Discover doesn't change foreign transaction fees, it may not be accepted everywhere outside the US. So if you're a frequent traveler, this is something to keep in mind. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using this Discover Rate cashback card. First, we talk about the pros. No annual fee. You get access to solid rewards without having to worry about annual charges. 5% cashback in rotating categories. This gives you great earning potential if you maximize those categories each quarter. Cashback match at year end. Doubling your first year rewards can make this card extremely rewarding for beginners. Intro 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers. This is great for anyone looking to make larger purchases or consolidate debt without immediate interest. User-friendly app and good customer service. Discover's app is well rated and customer service is highly regarded. How about the cons? Rotating categories require activation. If you forget to activate, you'll miss out on that 5% earning rate. Limited international acceptance. While there are no foreign transaction fees, Discover isn't accepted as widely as Visa or MasterCard outside the US. Balance transfer fee. While the 0% APR offer is great, the balance transfer fees can add up. High regular APR. After the introductory period, the interest rates can be relatively high, especially for those with lower credit scores. So overall, the card is packed with benefits, but there are a few limitations depending on your spending habits and whether you travel frequently. So is the Discover Rates cashback card the best card for beginners? It's definitely a strong contender. The rewards are straightforward, and the cashback match at the end of the first year is a huge perk for those just starting. If you're someone who is comfortable activating categories quarterly and planning your spending, this card offers excellent rewards with no annual cost. However, the rotating categories might be less appealing if you're looking for a set it and forget it style card. Also, international travelers might find the limited Discover acceptance a downside. But overall, for most beginners, especially those who spend primarily within the US, the Discover Rate cashback card is a fantastic choice. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Freedom Flex, Citi Double Cash Card, and Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Card. I hope this review has helped you get a clearer picture of whether this card suits your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.